Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the saturation of any image shot on Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to adjust the saturation. And here you can see the edit option on the bottom side. Tap on the edit option and scroll toward right to reach the adjust option. Here you can select the saturation option. Tap on the saturation. Here you can decrease or increase the saturation of this image by sweeping the toggle into towards left or right. Choose the required saturation for your image and choose the perfect value. And tap on the done option. Now the saturation is set for your image. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your gallery. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.